I was here once before, and the water was up so high that you could, just walk just down this little path here and you hit water. But they have been lowering the lake, letting more water through the dam. So there is a little more of the road that we can walk. And it won't be long before we can walk the whole road. And I can't wait for that. Over on this side of Martins Fork Lake is where the old road used to be. And there used to be a post office over here. And there was a little community that was where the lake is. And gosh, the leaves sure have fallen since the last time I was here. There's still little flowers out. And there's bees. Yep. These little guys are still out too. It's getting a little chilly out today. So this is the old road right here. And in some places you can still see the paint, the yellow line and such. Oh, somebody lost their Fruit of the Looms. Okay, so if you remember, all of this was underwater last time in the last video. And you can see there that big mud puddle where the water had been. Now, this is tricky. Crossing this and hoping that, yeah, I don't get sunk up in the mud. Okay, it's good so far. Yeah, okay. Not bad. Oh, that's a great view. Mouse. Right there is where the post office used to sit. And yeah, I'm not walking over there because, yeah, that's mud. And I'm not getting sunk up in that. But right there it is. Okay. Gone almost as far as we can go this time. But there will always be a next time. And with the water, them letting the water out through the dam, it won't be long before we can walk all the way around through here. Uh-oh. I see prints. It's like duck prints, goose prints. I don't see any bear prints over here. Which, there are coyotes up here too. Fox and such. So yeah, right here it is. Here is as far as we're gonna go. But next time we will be able to go all the way over through there, around that bend over there, and beyond. There's also a little cove up there that you can go back into and go up on the mountain and come all the way back up this way, around, and back down where we started. I don't know if you can see it, but there are all kinds of little fish. Try to zoom. Yep, that is it. This side of Martins Fork Lake. Ooh, did you hear that? That was a fish. Just jumped. Well, guys, that's it for today. I'm going to walk back up to my car. And, yeah, it's later in the evening. My honey has gotten on the same work schedule I'm on, so that makes it hard to actually get out and travel as much as I used to when we were on separate work schedules. But it's okay. I will continue to make videos, no matter how short. And thank you all who have subscribed to my channel. And thank you so much for your likes and your comments. And I was looking on the analytics today, and oh my gosh, I have had thousands of shares. So thank you for sharing out my videos. I will see you next time. Love you. Bye.